Hello guys, it's Scarlett from Dongguan Ruichen Sealing Company. We focus on the research and production of rubber seals since 2006. And we have 10,000 molds for different rubber seals, especially O-rings. There are standard sizes including American standard, British standard, Japanese standard, and non-standard sizes. A small rubber seal often plays a significant role in different areas, as it is widely used in automobile, electronics, pump valve, power tools, household appliances, daily necessities, and other fields. Therefore, ensuring high quality is our top priority. So how we ensure high quality? I believe you will find the answer after visiting our factory. We can say here is for testing our raw material. The first step is testing material. If material is not good, they will be returned to supplier, or they will be delivered to mixing room. After testing, the material will be sent to the rubber mixing room. Then a skilled technician will mix the material according to formula. The mixed material is fed into cutting machine and cut into even strips. Now we can see this worker behind me. They are filling the molds with the cutted material. We call this production process first cure. Inspectors inspect production every 2 hours based on tracking documents to detect and resolve problems early. Burst sealing is a transitional process with the purpose of providing convenience for quality inspection. After the process of burst sealing, the product will be sent to the inspection. Inspection usually by visual or machine. Full inspection machine is more comprehensive and reliable. So our factory bought several machines for inspection. After full inspection, quality check will do random inspection for the products. After this, the products will be issued as qualified. Post-cure is to optimize product performance by slow bake at high temperature. Now we finally come to the end, packing the products with labels on the bags. So if you want more information and you are interested in our products, please feel free to send emails to us and check our website.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.